Our weather pattern is going to be a little unsettled in the days ahead. That can include some pretty gusty winds for your Thursday. Meteorologist Michael Behrens joins us now with an outline of what to expect and the impacts potentially involved. Michael.
Yeah, that's right, Nick. The winds will be picking up as we head through tomorrow. Pretty gusty, in fact. The winds already out toward the west, gusting quite high out toward Minneapolis and over in portions of Iowa, where we're seeing those gusts to reach that 20 to 30 mile per hour range. All part of this weather system heading our way, causing the storms out there too. And it will bring that rain our direction, but the wind going to be one of the bigger impacts as we head through tomorrow. So let's step through the next couple hours here in terms of the wind forecast. We've had some breezy winds today around that 5 to 15 mile per hour range, but as we head into tonight, some of those winds start to pick up toward the 20 mile per hour mark, approaching 30 mile per hour ahead of tomorrow when that storm system pushes through. Some of those gusts possibly could reach as high as 35, if not a little higher. Those winds continue to stay rather breezy with gusts around 20 miles per hour as we head toward tomorrow night, and then into Friday, the winds pick up again with some of those gusts in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. The lakeshore in general going to be the windier of the locations across West Michigan. When we take a look at Grand Rapids, you can see those wind gusts tonight start to get up toward that 20 mile per hour range, and then as we head toward tomorrow midday afternoon, that's when we start to see those winds around 25 to 35 miles per hour. You take that to the lakeshore and the wind gusts get stronger faster with winds in that 25 to 35 range as we head toward the morning tomorrow, of winds that could go 30 to 40 in the afternoon. Now, we're not quite to wind advisory criteria. We would need sustained winds of 30 to 39 to get there, or gusts over 45. But just to give you a little bit of perspective of how things get blown around out there, winds of about 3 or above blow the leaves around. Once you start getting into that close to 30 mile per hour range, that's when your trash cans kind of go visit your neighbor. These are probably going to get blown around quite a bit, especially on the lakeshore as we head toward tomorrow. And then humans, well, we really don't start to see major impacts until we get up to around 68 miles per hour. If you're driving a higher profile vehicle, though, in between these two here, 40 to 60 mile per hour, you should make sure to use extra caution, especially if the winds are blowing laterally across the roadway. Guys.